In today's video, we're going to talk about Cytra-3, a medication used to make the urine less acidic. By doing so, it helps the kidneys get rid of uric acid, which can prevent gout and certain types of kidney stones, urate. It can also help prevent and treat certain metabolic problems, acidosis, caused by kidney disease. Cytra-3 contains citric acid and citrate salts, which belong to a class of drugs known as urinary alkalinizers. Depending on your potassium and sodium intake, your doctor may choose a specific product for you. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking Cytra-3 will be determined by your doctor. When taking Cytra-3, it is important to follow your doctor's instructions. Typically, you will take this medication 4 times a day, after meals, to help prevent diarrhea. To prevent stomach upset, mix your prescribed dose in a full glass of cold water or juice, and drink the entire mixture slowly. If you still experience stomach upset, your doctor may recommend mixing your dose in a larger amount of liquid. The dosage will be based on your medical condition and response to treatment, so it's important to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device or spoon. The liquid form of this medication must be mixed with at least 4 ounces of water or juice before taking. You may also refrigerate the mixture before drinking to improve the taste. It's important to take this medication regularly at the same times each day to get the most benefit from it. Additionally, you may need to test the pH of your urine using special paper while taking this medication to determine the proper dose. Always consult your doctor or pharmacist for further instructions. If you experience nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, or stomach pain while taking Cytra-3, try mixing the medication with water or juice, taking it after meals, and drinking more fluids. This can help prevent these side effects. If any of these effects persist or worsen, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist right away. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's important to notify your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as severe stomach or abdominal pain, swelling of the hands/ankles/feet, tingling/numbness of the hands/feet, weakness, fast/slow/irregular heartbeat, mental/mood changes, such as confusion, restlessness, muscle spasms, seizures, bloody/black/tarry stools, or vomit that looks like coffee grounds. While a very serious allergic reaction to Cytra-3 is rare, seek medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not listed above, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or you may report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or you may report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Cytra-3, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies or if you're allergic to any inactive ingredients in the product. Also, inform them about your medical history, especially if you have conditions such as underactive adrenal gland, heart disease, kidney disease, sodium/potassium restricted diet, mineral imbalance, dehydration, extra fluid in the body, high blood pressure, or stomach/gut problems. If you're using the liquid form of Cytra-3 and have diabetes, be cautious as it may contain sugar. It's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using it. Because Cytra-3 contains salt, sodium, inform your doctor if you are on a salt-restricted diet. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if it's clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also important to consult your doctor before using this medication if you are breastfeeding, as it's not known if the drug passes into breast milk. When taking Cytra-3, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how this medication works or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist, including prescription and non-prescription drugs and herbal products. Some products that may interact with Cytra-3 include antacids that contain aluminum, aspirin and other salicylates, certain blood pressure medications, drospirenone, eplerenone, certain heart medications, lithium, potassium supplements, and certain water pills. If your doctor has directed you to take low-dose aspirin for heart attack or stroke prevention, usually 81 to 162 mg a day, you should continue taking it unless your doctor instructs you otherwise. Always consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details and guidance on the best time to take this medication. If you or someone else has taken too much Cytra-3 and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call the local Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can contact their provincial Poison Control Center. Symptoms of an overdose may include a slow heartbeat, muscle spasms, and seizures. It's important not to share Cytra-3 with others. Your doctor may want to do some lab tests to check your potassium and sodium levels while you are taking this medication. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments, and consult your doctor for more information. If you happen to miss a dose of Cytra-3, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it is almost time for your next dose, then it's best to just skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. It's important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. As always, it's best to follow your healthcare provider's instructions regarding the timing of your medication. When it comes to storing Cytra-3, it's important to keep it at room temperature and away from heat, light, and moisture. Make sure not to freeze it and avoid storing it in the bathroom. And as with all medications, it's crucial to keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of Cytra-3, it's essential not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, make sure to properly discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed. Your pharmacist or local waste disposal company can provide guidance on the proper disposal of Cytra-3. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.